Namaste everybody. Today I am going to start to share with you the question answers of Limits of Mind Class 5 English Reader Book. Page number 58, question number A.3. Write true or false against the given statement. If a statement is false, correct and write it in the space provided. Eklavya and his family lived in Hastinapur. False. Eklavya and his family lived a little away from Hastinapur. This is the right answer. You have to fill up it. Second, Eklavya failed to understand the discrimination between the high-born and the low-born. True. This should be repeated in the blank places. Number third, Eklavya requested Arjuna to teach him archery. False. In place of Arjuna, right answer is Drona. Eklavya requested Drona or Dronachar to teach him archery. Number 4. Eklavya carved a stone statue of Drona. False. Right answer is Eklavya carved a wood statue of Drona. Number 5. Drona asked for Eklavya right thumb as his Guru Dakshina. Left thumb as his Guru Dakshina. This is false. Right answer is right thumb as his Guru Dakshina. Number 5. In the battle of Kurukshetra, Drona and Arjuna were on the opposite sides. This is the true answer. This should be repeated and fill in the blanks. Now we come on A.4, page 58. Complete the statement, given statements briefly. Eklavya's mother would often tell him not to go too near those people, they are high-born. Second one, the Kru princess came to the forest to learn archery with his teacher. Third one, Arjuna's skill in archery was superb. Number 4, each day Eklavya would practice shooting and imagine a pat on his back from Drona. Number 5, after the loss of the right thumb, Eklavya learned to shoot without his right thumb with his right toe. 6th number, real courage means fighting against wrong limits and respecting the correct ones. Now A.5, read the given extracts and answer the questions that follow. Don't go near them. Number A, who said these words and to whom? Eklavya's mother said these words to Eklavya. Who are them? Here them refers to Kru princess. Number C, why did the speaker say so? A speaker said so because they were high-born and low-born people. He was not supposed to mix up with them as per social restriction. He was not supposed to mix up with them as per social restriction because he born in low caste. Question number 2. I offer my services to you in this battle. Question number A. Who do I and you refer to? I refer to Eklavya and you refer to Dronacharya, Drona. Number B. Which battle is going on and between whom? Mahabharata was going on. Mahabharata is going on or was going on. You can write down both. Between Kaurav and Pandava. Why is the speaker offering his service? Because his guru Drona was sad fighting with his disciple Arjuna, and Eklavya wanted to help him. A.6 question number first. Why did Eklavya's family leave away from Hastinapur? They were shunned, shunned, shunned by society because they belonged to a low caste. Question number 2. Why did Eklavya carve Drona's statue? Eklavya was very much impressed by Drona's magical art of archery. He wanted to learn this art from Drona. As Drona refused him to teach the art, he carved Drona's statue in order to feel the presence which practicing archery. While practicing archery, I repeat this answer again. Eklavya was very much interested by Drona's magical art of archery. He wanted to learn this art from Drona. As Drona refused him to teach the art, he carved Drona's statue in order to feel the presence of his patting, in Dronacharya patting while practicing archery. Now question number 3. Why did Drona ask for Eklavya's right thumb as Guru Dakshina? He asked for Eklavya's right thumb as Guru Dakshina, knowing that its loss will hamper, hamper Eklavya's ability to pursue archery. So that Eklavya will lose his skills, making Arjuna the only better archer. This is the right answer. Now we come page number 60. A.8. A few words from the text have been given in the box. Choose an appropriate word from the 8 box which can be used to replace the bold words in sentence given below. Write the chosen word in the space provided. Some of the words have been given in the box. They are discrimination, chariots, shunned, glaring, and courage. The old man. Number 1. The old man was looking fiercely at his son when the guest came in. Glaring. Answer will be here right side, glaring. Number 2. In olden times, king used to travel in two-wheeled vehicles drawn by horses. This is so-called chariot. Shekhar was avoided by his friends due to his bad habits. Shunned. Shunned. Number 4. Everyone dislikes the village head for his unfavorable attitude towards a few village families. Discrimination. Number 5. Sina went to the principal and accepted her mistake with an ability to disregard fear. Answer, courage. Courage. Now we are coming the next question, that is the A.9, second one. Add the suffix less to the following words and use the newly formed words appropriately in the blank below. Mahatma Gandhi is remembered for his selfless service to the nation. Self, add es, selfless. Number B. After half an hour sweating, the children started feeling tireless. Tireless. Rahul felt helpless when he saw his house on fire. Helpless is right answer. D. He seems to think that I have an dash supply of money. Endless. Endless. Number E. The dash effort of the construction staff help in the completion of the bridge before time. Restless, RESTLESS, restless. Now we come to know about the proverb. A.12. Read the proverb given below along with their meanings. Make a hay while the sun shines. Its meaning has been given. Make good use of opportunity. Favorable condition till they last. मौके का फायदा उठाना. Empty vessels make the most noise. खाली जो बर्तन होता है वो ज़्यादा आवाज़ करता है. Meaning people who do not have much knowledge often talk to the most. A stitch in time saves nine. Action that is taken in time will prevent further problems. अगर समय से हम कदम उठाते हैं तो हम भविष्य में होने वाली परेशानियों से बच सकते हैं. पेज नंबर 62. Now match the proverbs in column A with their meanings in column B. All the glitters is not gold. Number 1. Its right answer is all that looks good may not always be good. जो देखने में अच्छा लगता है वो उतना अच्छा होता नहीं है वास्तव में. Birds of a feather flock together. चोर चोर मसेरा भाई. Its right answer is people of the same character get along well and like to stay together. Right answer number E. Number 3. Cut your coat according to your cloth. तेते पाव पसारिए जेते लंबी शोर. Act according to your financial ability. Don't cross the bridge till you come to it. Its right answer is do not worry about difficulties till they rise. विपत्तियों से तब तक नहीं घबराना चाहिए जब तक विपत्ति सामने नहीं आ जाए. Every cloud has a silver lining. Number 5. Its right answer is even the worst situation has some hope and goodness. बुरे दिन में भी एक आशा की किरण रहती है. So this is all about the question answer session of limits of the minds. I have explained it and I do hope you all will like it and subscribe it. That's all. Thank you. I request you everybody, if you have not subscribed it, you must subscribe it so that you can get the video instantly. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.